channel. Today's video is going to be all about decluttering and organizing my master bathroom. Studies have actually shown that having a decluttered space can really affect your mental health. It can decrease anxiety, depression, it can make your mind clearer, and you can actually be more creative and more intentional with your time because you're not looking for all of your things and being bogged down by all that clutter. So if this is something that you're interested in, make sure you watch till the end. I'm going to be giving bonus tips along the way. I'm going to take you through my process of how I declutter and organize. Let's jump in. If you don't already know, I'm Corey. I'm a wife, a mom, and a dog mom who's obsessed with all things to do with the home. If you're looking for organization hacks or decorating inspiration or really anything in between, then you've definitely come to the right place. Yeah. If you're looking to upgrade your home and create the home of your dreams, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified of any new content that comes out. I'll be dropping content weekly and I don't want you to miss out on the goodness. Let's dive into the video.
So here's our bathroom. I know it doesn't look super cluttered right now, but once I open those cabinets, I promise you, you will see the clutter. I'm someone that doesn't like clutter at all on countertops, but I definitely hate opening my drawer and not being able to find things. And it's just not a good feeling when you wake up in the morning and that's the first thing that you see and really the last thing that you see when you go to bed. Okay, here is where all of my clutter is hidden. I told you guys it was pretty bad. I have a hard time finding my things and I'm ready for a big change. And here is my bottom drawer. It has a lot of junk in it, garbage. I think those are tax documents, lots of things that do not belong. When decluttering any space, the first thing you want to do is pick a method and stick with it. I prefer to use the 4-box method, or in this case, 4-bag method. This method is simple yet effective. To implement the 4-box method, you need 4 boxes labeled keep, trash, relocate, and donate. The goal for me in my home is to really have only the items that I use. I really want to embrace a more minimal lifestyle, so I had to evaluate what serves a purpose and what didn't. When decluttering your items, always take inventory of what you really use and what is just taking up space. And a pro tip is to get rid of any duplicate items that you don't use regularly. For example, if you buy 3 bars of soap in a pack, don't get rid of those since you will eventually use them. But say you have 3 different mascaras, well, pick your most used one and get rid of the others. They're probably already dried up or will be dried up by the time you get to using them. Decluttering is honestly so individualized. So do what works for you. You may say, I don't need 3 bars of soap, but I definitely need 3 mascaras. It's not one size fits all.
Another really good rule when you are deciding what things to keep and what to get rid of is the 20-20 rule. So if it is something that say you have multiples of something, so we're going to use my nail polish remover. If you're like, I don't know if I need this extra one, what if I run out of this one? If this is an item that you can get for under $20 and in less than 20 minutes, get rid of that second item. You do not need it cluttering up your space. So for nail polish, again, I can go down to the CVS, or nail polish remover, I can go down to the CVS and I can get a new one for under $20, less than 20 minutes. This one's gonna go. Something that you probably wanna keep multiples of, for an example, is my hairspray that I can only really order online. There's nowhere around here that sells it. And it runs about $20, so it falls in that it's over $20 and you can't get it in 20-minute rule. So I am going to keep both of these hairsprays. So this is going to go into the keep bin.
After you inventory your things, go ahead and do a deep clean of your entire bathroom. I found these really cute neutral organizers at HomeGoods. I always find really cheap organizing things at HomeGoods as well as IKEA. So those are 2 places to look. A pro tip, one thing to note about storage containers though, is that they can encourage you to put off the decluttering process by allowing you to tidy up your clutter, giving the illusion that your things are organized. To avoid this, make sure you do the decluttering prior to utilizing the organizers. I've made this mistake way too many times. I organize all of my everyday items in the top drawers for easy access, things like face wash, hairbrush, makeup, and toothpaste, and any smaller items. All of my larger items went down below, and things I don't use as often. Now that my bathroom space is decluttered and organized, I feel like I can breathe again. So for the top drawer, I put my makeup, face wash, toothpaste, and skincare. I decluttered a lot of my makeup, especially makeup brushes. I always feel like I go to the store thinking I'm going to create these elaborate makeup looks, and then I just use the same brushes. So that was significantly downsized. To ensure that this space stays decluttered, I'm going to implement the 1 minute rule. Basically, that is just take 1 minute every day to declutter the space. I could do this while I'm brushing my teeth or washing my face, and really it'll just become a habit to keep this space clutter free. I'm really happy with how this declutter and organization turned out. I think it's going to make a huge difference. I'm actually going to be able to find the things that I need, and I'm just not going to feel so overwhelmed looking in my bathroom. So that is my process for decluttering and organizing my space. I hope that this video gave you the inspiration that you need to go and declutter your bathroom or any space in your house. I honestly feel so much better already. I feel lighter and I feel like I can think again. I cannot wait to do the rest of my house. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me for that. Stay tuned for the next video. Go ahead and drop a comment if you like this video. Let me know what you liked, what you didn't like, what you wanna see more content from me. And I will see you guys on the next one. Have a good day. Thank you, buddy.
For me, I don't do my nails really at all. If I'm going to have nail polish on, I'm going to go get them done. So there's no need for me to have 2 nail polish removers. Little guy wants to be in the video. So I'm just going to take 2. So I'm just going to keep one. You can't donate things that are beauty products that are open. You can do like a Buy Nothing Facebook group where people kind of, you want one?